I saw a question recently asking if you could split your signal path so that it records to 2 separate tracks in your DAW. I'm going to show you an example of how you can do that using this simple setup here. So I have the instrument parallel 1 selected as the signal path type so that I can split the chain here. I have the amp before, the solo amp, and then I have a solo cabinet and an analog delay effect. And then on the bottom I have a solo cab and a flanger effect. Now in the mixer, I have the first panned hard left and the bottom panned hard right, and both levels set to 100%. So just to show you, this is the sound that you get with the top cabinet. And this is the sound of the bottom part of the signal path. And now with both of the levels set to 100%. Now in my DAW, this is Reaper that I'm using, so I'm recording the microphone at the moment in stereo. I have a track 1 set to USB 1 from the Tone Master Pro, and I have track 2 set to USB 2 from the Tone Master Pro. What that will do is record the left channel to the top, USB 1, and it will record the right channel to USB 2.